stop today. Another show across town. I've been meaning to go to it. So it's not too far from here. Unless I'm lost. Well, I'm okay. Just thinking about you. Thought you were going to save me a spot. I didn't know there's that many cars there. Michael Moore is here. Chief Moore. Riverside County Fire Chief. Old friend. Very old friend. Okay. Now let's make sure you turn off the batteries. Have a dead battery on the way out. Wow, this is pretty cool. A lot of cars. Lots of cars. Okay, let's have a look-see. Okay, so that. So we got all the new shit here. That's why I don't like this place. Morning. What's that? What's that?
It's a new car.
Yeah, that damn thing. I'm trying to get the run right for 10 years.
It's great for the small tracks.
All these,
It doesn't have all the power to do 150 around.
well,
Yeah, I understand. You know, when I go to the track,
this is nice.
we got a 69 100-point original 446 back. We got an AAR Poodle 32340. We got two GTXs that are invertible on a hardtop.
Yeah.
Which one?
Friggin' awesome.
Oh, really? I've been to those. 140.
Look at this little slug bug. 66, I believe. Is that what it is? 66? It's hard to tell.
Morning.
Morning, morning.
Well.
Yeah, I had to
First
see.
one, huh?
I had to see what it was like.
Yeah, this whole world just.
You like Morning.
So far?
That's what all this is, donuts. I appreciate it. Hey, there's the guard dogs. Hey, guard dogs, don't attack the camera. Oh, you don't care, do you? Huh? You don't care, do you?
Guy take pictures of the cars. He got a good picture of these two. I never see a picture come out as good as these.
You seen the videos I've done of these two?
What?
You seen the videos I've done of these two?
No.
On YouTube of your dogs. They're on the Hot Rods and Horsetown videos I do, and they got a cameo appearance. Who are you talking to? Who's been out of shape?
I know how I talk, so I don't talk when you go back.
I know. I went out to start my car this morning. I left it on. That's why I'm so late.
What? You what?
My batteries are dead.
Oh, you left it on. I thought you left it on.
What is it, 69? My old 69? Okay, it is. I got my old 69. 64 Chevy. 65. Damn it! I always get those two mixed up. 4-speed car. Well, I like that dash. Nice job on the dash. Looks really clean. Again, I like the steering wheel. I just don't think it fits the car, but that's not my car. That is a nice Chevy. Alexa like this. And we have this coat there. Insulation.
Okay, we're going to go ahead and start with morning colors. Please move your hat when the flag is posted. So 742, post the colors.
I'm driving the 29. Oh, cool. Next to the 33.
Good morning.
How you doing, buddy?
Good, good. Finally made it over here. See what it's all about.
This your first time?
Yeah.
We heard you.
Who didn't? My neighbors say that every Saturday morning.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
is that? A V6?
Your dad is a hell of a...
Yeah, you know, he's 86, and he's doing another flight.
Let's give the color guard a round of applause.
He's making his own motor.
This is American Legion Post 742. We want to put a flag in front of your house or your business. If you're interested, please give us a call. We'll put a flag up every holiday that needs a flag. We'll have a flag in front of your house or your business. If you're interested, call American Legion Post 742. Thank you. Have a great day.
Voluntarily
What's up, man?
How you been?
Good. How's it going? You still here? I thought you were in Texas or something.
No, I visited North Carolina. I go back and forth.
Okay.
I go back and forth.
Okay.
Um,
You have a place here?
Yeah, I live over in Norco.
Okay.
Yeah, I turn this off.